What's going on, party people? So check it out. I'm doing a review today on the Pelonis personal heater. This thing is awesome. The box doesn't really give you too much information. Fan forced heater, adjustable thermostat, convenient carrying handle, 3 heat, 1 fan setting, and power indicator light. So we got it right here. It's pretty small. It's a perfect square. On the top, you got your temperature gauge, minimum to maximum. And then on the right side, you got 4 different settings. You got fan only, low heat, medium heat, and high heat. I just turned it on about 5 seconds ago, and it's already pushing out some serious heat. This thing warms up quick. It'll cook you right out of the room. It's perfect for like small bedrooms, bathrooms, tiny areas. It might be a little hot for underneath a desk. But yeah, this thing kicks out some serious heat. It's got a cool safety function. If you knock it off of its 4 feet, it turns off so that it doesn't fall over and burn your house down in the middle of the night. As you can see, it's not on all 4 right now, and the fan is starting to stop. As soon as I push it back down onto all 4s, it starts back up, the fan starts going again, and I got hot air. So this is definitely a good safe heater for your house. You don't have to worry. If you want to compare the size of it to some other ones, I have right here this one can either lay it on the side or up and down like this, but this one's skinnier if you have it standing up. And then right here, I got the Vornado. I got reviews on all 3 of these on my channel. Well, obviously I have one of that one, but yeah. All 3 of these are great heaters, but I would totally recommend the Pelonis. It is kicking out some serious heat. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you guys could like this video and subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. Alright, see ya.